Hello everyone, my name is Alexia and in this video I'm gonna taught you about what are adverbs. So I'm gonna give you very easy English lessons. In this video we will learn adverbs in a very simple way. So before wasting time, let's get started. So in first slide there are what keys to more descriptive English means. In this slide I will tell you what are adverbs exactly. So adverbs are the words or group of words that shows the quality of that thing. Means we will understand it by an example. So the example is she runs quickly. Here quickly is an adverb because it shows the quality of this sentence. Means here we see here quickly describe how she runs. She doesn't run slowly, she runs fast. And the second example is he sings beautifully. Here the adverb is beautifully because it tells us that he sings beautifully. So this is the first type of adverb, adverbs of manner. There are four types of adverbs. This one is how does it happen means how. How means कैसे, कैसे. She runs quickly. वो कैसे भागती है. Runs quickly means जल्दी, वो जल्दी भागती है. तो यहाँ पे quickly उसका ये quickly उसकी क्वालिटी बताता है. तो यहाँ पे क्विकली उस एडवर्ब हो गया. और यहाँ पे ही सिंग्स ब्यूटीफुली, वो बहुत सुंदर गाता है. तो यहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुली उसका एडवर्ब हो गया. कैसे गाता है बताता है हाउ, कैसे. Here is adverbs of time. When does it occur? Here in the first is manner and the second type of adverb is time. It shows when. When means कब. He come yesterday. Yesterday tells us when he arrived, not today, not tomorrow, but yesterday. Here we see that he comes yesterday. वो पिछले दिन आया था. तो यहाँ पे yesterday हो गया adverb. कब आया था, कब. कब means when. तो यहाँ पे yesterday एडवर्ब हो गया क्योंकि वो उसकी क्वालिटी बता रहा है. Here we will meet later. Later indicates when the meeting will take place, not immediately but at some point in the future. He will meet later. वो थोड़ी देर में मिलेगा. कब मिलेगा? When he will meet later. So here the when is using here. And the third is adverbs of place, where it is. Our third type of adverb is where. Adverbs of place tells us where an action occurs or where something is located. Where means कहाँ पे. So we will know this by an example. The dog is outside. जो dog है वो बाहर है. तो कहाँ पे है, where. कहाँ पे है, where. He is outside. Outside tells us where the dog is located. It's not instead the house. And the second example is please come here. Please आप इधर आ जाइए. Please आप इधर आ जाइए. तो यहाँ पे कहाँ पे बुलाया है, यहाँ पे, here. Here indicates the place where someone should come. It points to a specific spot. Hope you'll understand. Our next is adverbs of frequency. How often. Here adverbs of frequency describes how often an action happens. They helps us understand habits or routines. Here we see with an example, she always smiles. वो हमेशा स्माइल करती है. तो ये when it's talking about when or always or never, they always be used how often. she always. Always is a type of adverb of frequency. Here always means she smiles every time without exception. It's a constant action. And second example is he never forgets. वो कभी नहीं भूलता, कभी नहीं. Here कभी नहीं is adverb of frequency. Never means he does not forget at any time. It's the opposite of always. So here is an main categories, 4 keys, types of adverbs. Here is a short chart here, adverbs of manner, how, kaise. These tells us how an action is done. Example, slowly, happily, loudly, carefully. Whenever you see these words slowly, happily, loudly or carefully, means it's a type of adverb of manner, means how. Adverb of time, when, means kab. Adverb of place, where, kahan. Adverbs of frequency, how often, kab tak. So here our adverb chapter ends. Hope so you'll like it and you'll get to know more about it. Thank you.